Okay, we have Rainbow's bowling alley all set up. You see it's pretty lengthy. For people who bowl, we know that we have to bowl from the very edge, right? But this is Budgie bowling. So he's going to bowl the way he knows how. Now where's Rainbow? Oh, Rainbow's on his play set. Okay. Rainbow, you ready to bowl? This is his rattle. Okay. Well, I have to catch him when he wants to bowl. Alright, so we'll give him a little break and come back. Okay, let's see if Rainbow will go bowling. He has all these toys. We call them Smiley. The one that he's playing with now. We have a yellow Smiley, we have a pink Smiley, and we have a green Smiley. Okay, you got lots of toys. Which one you want to play with? Can you push the bowling pin? Very good. Well, there goes one. You just want to do one bowling pin? How about the others? We want to strike. Huh? Can Rainbow do the other bowling pins? Well, he decides what he wants to do. Let's put the Smiley over here. Push, push. Very good. There goes another bowling pin. Let's see if we can get more down. Push, push. Okay. Sometimes he pushes all the bowling pins at once. Sometimes he staggers it. Rainbow is busy playing. He's having a good time. Look at that. He flings all his toys around. You want to push, push? Okay. Alright. So Rainbow is 8 years old.